Once upon a time, there was a very big forest. There, on a huge banyan tree, lived many crows. They were selfish and arrogant. They always quarreled with other birds. This behavior irritated other birds. They had no friends, as no one liked them. When the rainy season came, dark clouds gathered in the sky. A small Meena was returning to her nest. When she was passing by the banyan tree, it started raining. I will stay here for a while until it stops raining, thought the little Meena, and I took rest on the banyan tree for a while. The selfish crows saw her perching on the tree. One of them shouted, "Get off the tree! This tree belongs to us." The Meena humbly pleaded, "The weather is bad, and my nest is far off from this forest. Please let me take a rest for a while on this tree, brother. As soon as it stops raining, I will return to my nest. Leave this banyan tree at once, or we will pick you," said the other crows. The merciless tendency of the selfish crows scared the Meena. The Meena found no other way except to fly off. Then immediately the Meena flew off to a nearby tree, where luckily she found a hollow in a broken branch. She took her shelter there. Shortly after, the rain became heavy, followed by thunderstorm. The wind was in high speed. Even the leaves and branches were not enough to give shelter to the crows. Many of the branches of many trees in which the crows had taken shelter were damaged and hurt by the hailstones. But the Meena was safe inside the hollow place in the tree. One of the crows said, "Look at the Meena, how comfortable she is. Let us go there." Another crow said, "I do not think she will let us share the hollow. We did not have sympathy for her when she was in need of this tree." Then another crow said, "We should not have been so rude. We forgot that we may need help someday." Suddenly, the Meena called out, "Come, my friends, come to this hollow, or you will get hurt. The rain is not going to stop soon. It seems that it may rain for a long time." The crows flew down to the hollow. They thanked the Meena. "We are sorry for having unkind, dear friend. Now we will never be so selfish." Then the crows took shelter in the hollow place of the tree in which the Meena had taken her shelter. After some time, it stopped raining. All the birds flew to their respective nests happily as new friends.